What's your name? My name is Richa. How are you? I am fine. Thank you. Where are you from? I am from Mumbai. What do you do? I am a student. How old are you? I am 20 years old. What's the weather like? It's rainy. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have one brother. What time is it? It's 5 o'clock. Where do you live? I live in West Mumbai. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is red. When is your birthday? My birthday is on March 23rd. Do you like coffee? Yes, I like coffee. Can you speak English? Yes, I can. Where did you go yesterday? I went to the park. What did you eat for breakfast? I had whole grain toast and milk. What day is it today? It's Sunday. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a dog. Are you married? No, I am single. What's your favorite food? I love pizza. What's your hobby? I enjoy dancing. What's your job? I am a teacher. Who is that? That's my friend, John. Do you like sports? Yes, I like badminton. When do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. Where is the bathroom? It's down the hall. How much is it? It's 1,000 rupees. What's your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Bahubali. What do you want to be? I want to be a doctor. Can you help me? Sure, what do you need? Do you have any children? No, I don't. Are you okay? Yes, I am fine. What did you do last weekend? I went hiking. Where is the nearest store? It's 3 blocks away. What are you listening? I am listening to pop music. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 11 p.m. Where did you learn English? I learned it at college. Can you dance? Yes, I can. What's your phone number? It's 12354 78879. How tall are you? I am 4 feet 8 inch tall. Where did you buy that? I bought it online. How many people are in your family? There are 5 people in my family. Do you play any musical instrument? Yes, I play the guitar. What's your favorite animal? I love cats the most. Do you have a computer? Yes, I have a laptop. Where do you work? I work at a bank. How many cups of coffee do you drink a day? I drink about 3 cups. Do you wear glasses? Yes, I do. Do you like to cook? Yes, cooking is fun for me. What do you do on weekend? I usually hang out with friends. Have you ever seen snow? Yes, I love snow. Do you exercise regularly? Yes, I go to the gym. Have you ever been abroad? Yes, I have been to Dubai. What's your father's job? He is a banker. गाइस, अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो एक लाइक कर दो। चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब कर दो और ये वीडियो अपने दोस्तों को भी शेयर करो ताकि वो भी अच्छे से इंग्लिश सीख पाए।